In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the video autoplay option in Facebook, because many people find it quite annoying, especially if it is played with sound. As soon as you're scrolling, the video starts playing automatically when they're in front of your screen. So we'll see how we can disable or enable that feature depending on your preference. So what we do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And on the left hand side, we have the area of preferences where we have this option of accessibility. Click on that. And on the right hand side, we see a couple of options. We click on video and motion. And here, as you can see, autoplay is toggled on. So all we need to do is just turn this option off and just go back to your home screen, and this will save automatically. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.